Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today let's check out how we can get started with our actual extensions that we come directly from let's say here from Google Microsoft Edge, for example, and we wanted to send this directly inside your own new Google Chrome. So to get started with this process, let's say for example that now that you have installed Google Chrome, you don't have to leave your favorite website behind into Microsoft Edge. So whether you call them favorites or bookmarks, transferring them only takes about a minute. So there are two ways to do it, and I'll show you the easiest one first. So open Google Chrome into the top right corner. In this case, here's my Google Chrome. So hover over bookmarks and list into the upper right corner like this, and here have our actual list. So if you choose this option, what you can do is to look out for the option that says import your actual configurations of bookmarks. So it says import bookmarks from, and you can look out for an HTML file or Microsoft Internet Explorer. So I choose the option that says Microsoft Internet Explorer. So make sure favorites is checked, and you can also import saved passcodes here if you wanted to, and click into import and you go for done. Now it says look out for the bookmarks there. Okay, and this will be now appearing directly inside here, just like that. So as you can see here, my bookmark is now been correctly added. If you don't see the bookmark tab, what you can do is to export this to bookmarks and import them later into an HTML file. For example, here into Microsoft Edge, here is my bookmarks. Let's say that I go for my favorites or the tab groups like this, the favorite bar, and I go for this option, export favorites, and I save this into downloads. Then I head back directly here into Google Chrome. Once again, I go here from my bookmarks directly here into my bookmarks. What I'm going to be doing here is to look out here for this element, import them, but instead of Microsoft, I go for an HTML file. I select my file, which is appearing here into my downloads. I go for open them and go for OK. So you can see they have this new folder that says imported. So when I click directly in there, these are my 4 taskbars that were added before here into Microsoft Edge. So this is how we can actually do this process. Now if you didn't see your bookmarks, you can click into the 3 dots to go to the bookmarks and list and make sure the show bookmarks is turned on like this. Bookmarks, and show them. There we go. It actually looks really well. So this is how we can actually get started with the actual Google Chrome. Just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Once again, this is going to be a really easily process, but once again, if you have any question, if you have any trouble out there, you can let us know into the comments below. So thank you once again for watching, guys. See you well next time.